Fed Chair Jay Powell has already acknowledged that officials began talking about tapering at the June meeting. Today, we may get to find out how that discussion went down. Now, since the meeting, we've heard a number of officials say they want to start reducing asset purchases sooner rather than later, including Fed Governor Christopher Waller and Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker. Now, investors, though, they still have a lot of questions, including at what rate will they reduce the balance sheet? What's the composition of purchases? Will they stop buying MBS and treasuries at the same time, or will they do one before the other? And of course, does the Fed need to finish tapering before it starts raising rates? Now, there's also the issue of the dots. 7 Fed officials now see the first rate hike potentially in 2022. So investors will be looking for color into how the economic forecast is evolving, and not just for inflation. Several analysts pointed to the employment population ratio as another key metric in the Fed's decisions. Remember, the discussion in the minutes did come before that blowout June jobs report. We could hear Powell react to that, though, when he testifies in front of Congress next week. Then there's an FOMC meeting at the end of July, and the biggie, the Fed's annual conference in Jackson Hole at the end of August. So, guys, if there are no clues for investors in the minutes, Fed officials will still have plenty of chances to signal their intentions in the coming weeks. Back over to you all.
Thanks, Ylan. The bond market's doing a lot of the work for the Fed right now. It seems like no one thinks that they're behind the curve when the 10-year goes down to 1.3 on its own. So they're in a good place, I think.
Right. So it'll be interesting to see how they talk about inflation and how they talk about bond yields inside the discussion during that June meeting. You know, Powell had said pretty squarely during his press conference that the focus of the Fed is not on rate hikes right now. But, you know, the dot plot did show the expectations pull forward. So did it come up at all during the meeting and then they tried to veer away from it? Did they studiously avoid it? Those are the kinds of dynamics I think that investors are going to be looking for within the details of the minutes.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.